Hi, I'm Tony. Today we'll be changing out the cutter on your sonotrode assembly. You need a 5mm T-handle, a 10mm wrench, a 7mm wrench, 3mm Allen wrench, a micrometer, and safety glasses. First, we'll remove the 10mm nuts. And the 5mm Allens. Then we'll remove these 3mm Allen cap screws. Then you can remove your cutter. Remove the springs, and then go and grab your new cutter. Now we will install your new cutter. First, put your springs on the Allens. Then you want to place the new cutter onto the sonotrode carriage and get the Allens threaded into the cutter. You're going to go until you have approximately 10 threads sticking out the top of the cutter here. Then you install your 3mm Allen cap screws here. Then install your 10mm nuts. So they're snug. You want to adjust the spring gap with these bolts here. You put the caliper inside on the bottom of the cutter and the top of this flange. The number you want is 33.7. Then once you have 33.7, you'll lock down the 10mm nuts right here, and then you'll check it again. And now you've put a new cutter on.